Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to be reviewing this. This is the Mainstays 10-inch ceramic fry pan. It's made of ceramic, of course. It's easy cleanup and release. Hits quickly and evenly and no toxic fumes. And presumably that's because there's no PTFE or PFOA. So that's the main reason why I bought it, because it's ceramic and it has no chemicals. Hopefully that's true. And I want to do a review on this, but I want to do a long-term review. A lot of people on YouTube, they make a review, they use it for 3 days, and then they tell you how great it is. But I really wanted to show you how it holds up after 1 year. So this is how it looks like when it's new. As you can see, there's nothing on it. I fully expect this back part right here to get black and stained. It's not going to be looking like this within a year of use. But I expect this white part to be nice and clean the way it is right now. Maybe this will stain a little, this metal stuff right here, but the rest should stay clean because it is non-stick, so nothing should stick to it. So let's use this for a year and let's find out. Okay folks, so it's been a year. I've been using this for a year, and for sure it's not sticking. It's definitely non-stick and it's holding up very well. If you look over here, the glitter, my camera won't focus, but it's there we go. If you look over there, the glitter, it's there perfectly, nothing's come off. And if you look at the back, it's definitely staining in the back, so it does look really ugly in the back. Nothing like it used to be when it was new. And there's no amount of scraping or brushing that you can do to get rid of this. This is stuck there forever. So yeah, it's a little disappointing in the back, but at the front it's nice and perfect. So it did work out, so I'm happy. I just wish this part would be a little bit better. In any case, thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.